Hi guys! Do you remember that farming doesn't only involve growing crops? Yes, animal rearing is another interesting part of farming. Farm animals provide us with meat, milk, eggs, and hide or animal skin that we use in making beautiful shoes and clothes. We also use the dung and droppings of these animals as farmyard manure. Not forgetting the free services they render on our farms, like plowing. Some animals like cattle also pull carts. Remember, carts are like vehicles that are pulled by animals to transport people or goods. These farm animals, cattle, goats, sheep, and poultry, can be affected by pests and parasites. Parasites are organisms that live in or on other organisms called hosts. Although the hosts weigh more than the parasites, these parasites still knock them off. While the parasites enjoy all the food and nutrients, the hosts suffer terribly or may even die. Parasites that live inside the hosts are called endoparasites. Examples are liver fluke, tapeworm, and roundworm. Other parasites that live outside the hosts are called ectoparasites. Examples are lice, mites, and ticks. Endoparasites enter an animal via contaminated food or water. Others could enter the skin, blood, and tissues of these animals. Ectoparasites can be very annoying to their hosts. They bite and cause irritation on the skin, resulting in serious diseases like mange and scabies. Pests and parasites make farm animals unhealthy and could cause death, thereby reducing their productivity. We'll stop here. But we still have some specific pests and parasites in farm animals to look at. I'll see you soon.